Thanks for joining us. Now, since you're back, we are going to go ahead and label this paper. I just made a straight line down and a straight line across, like the letter T. And I want you on this same kind of paper to make an F. So that's one line down, one line at the top, and one line in the middle for the letter F. Fork. Now, go ahead on the other side and write the letter S. S is for spoon. F, fork. S, spoon. Are you ready to help me tally? All right, let's begin with F, fork. Every time I show you a fork, I want you to help by making one tally mark on your paper. Here's one fork. So we need one tally mark. Remember, a tally mark is just one line down. Good. Now let's count on two forks. So we need two tally marks. Let's see how many we have left on this side for forks. 3. That means we should have 1, 2, 3 tally marks. Here's the next one. 4. 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Look at this. For the number 5, I'm going to make a tally mark through all the other lines. Do you remember what this kind of line is called? A line that goes at an angle is called a diagonal. Say diagonal. So you're going to draw a slanted line or a line at an angle, and that's going to be your 5th tally mark. When I say 5th, how many is that? 5th. The 5th tally mark is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget this one. 5. Your diagonal line makes 5. So we can check our work by counting the forks that we put to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are right. We have 5 forks and 5 tally marks. But look, here's some more. Let's keep adding on. So here's 5 forks. The next fork would make, good, 6. I'm going to make another tally mark for number 6. And the very last fork, 6, what comes after 6? Good, 7. 7. Now, we want to add all of them up. So that means we're going to count from the beginning and see how many tally marks that we made under F for fork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now let's write number 7. One line across and a diagonal slanted line down. 7. 7 forks. Now let's move to this side, because guess what? There are no more forks left. We've counted all of the forks. So let's move over to the S side. Do you remember what S is for? S is for spoons. Look at all the spoons. Are you ready to count and make a tally mark? Okay. 1. 1 tally mark for 1 spoon. 2. 2 tally marks for 2 spoons. 3. 3 tally marks, 3 spoons. Let's just check to make sure. We've counted so far 1, 2, 3 spoons. Let's see how many tally marks we've made. 1, 2, 3 tally marks. We're doing a good job. Let's keep going. 4 spoons. That means another tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. Look how many spoons we have left to count. What comes after 4? Spoon number 5. Remember, when we do 5 tally marks, the 5th one is going to be a diagonal line across. Let's count how many spoon tally marks we've made so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 more spoons to go. So we're at 5. If we add 1 more, we have, good, 6. Don't forget our tally mark. And the very last spoon, what number would this make? 7. Now let's check our work. We've counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spoons. Are there any more spoons left on the napkin? No. We've counted all the spoons. Now let's make sure we have 7 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do 7 tally marks for 7 spoons. Now, since we've added all of these up, let's write number 7. Remember, 7, a straight line across and a diagonal line. 7. Look, 7 forks, 7 spoons. Is one bigger or greater than the other? Is one less than the other? Or are they the same? Good. If you said they are the same, that means they are equal. 7 and 7. These are the same numbers. So we had 7 forks and 7 spoons. That means they were equal. Here is the equal sign. They were equal. We had the same number of forks as the same number of spoons. Now, can you find something in your house to count? How about counting the TVs that you may have? Or even counting how many pairs of shoes you have? Who has more? Your mom or your dad? You or your brother or your sister? Let us know what you decide to count and then send us a picture of your work. Don't forget, you can make a simple chart with one line down and one line across, and then make sure for everything you count, you make sure to make a tally mark on each side. We'll see you soon. Bye.